Thanks for all that background. Let's jump right into your roadmap. What's on the near term and medium term horizon that investors should be excited about with your project?
So, Richard, I'm taking this, or you're taking this question. I think I can start maybe.
Yep.
Yeah. So about the roadmap. So actually, we went already further than our estimated roadmap, which is pretty great. And we finalized our private sale. We were totally oversubscribed. Everything went pretty good. We got a lot of community and etc. We launched our token. What we have done basically normally without for the actual project. So we developed users dashboard with the all staking options, NFT depositing, and on all we can already track your gaming data and all these kind of stuff. We already launched it. We developed, of course, alpha version, which is basically the main step. So players are already playing, they're playing every day, users are growing. Yeah, they can also stake, they can already use some of the NFTs, and that's like a pretty great thing. What's the major right now milestone? So yeah, we are starting already our beta version development. So we need to think already about the NFTs and everything. So we already started to do the actual utility for the NFTs. So that's why we are doing right now the INEO. So we are selling the mystery boxes to already to some players who want to get some really interesting things to play with. And in a beta version, they will be already all of them. They will be already able to use it. You can already use some of them right now, but not all of them. So in the beta version, you will be able to use all of them. This is basically the main thing that in a beta version will start utility of the actual token and the actual NFTs. So yeah, after the INEO, the next big thing will be of course the beta version, and of course later on we will move to the full game release. And the last thing will be our lands, because in the full game there will be already lands available, and the whole game will be basically set up. And of course more missions, more challenges to do. We will open up more open world space, because right now we opened, I think, eight square kilometers. So we need to open up another four regions to play with. So there's still some work to do, and yeah, this is basically the brief explanation about our roadmap. But in general, we are going pretty fast. We are going everything goes according to the plan, and we're really happy.
Yep, and also would like to add a few more milestones that we are like trying to achieve. So first of all, as we all know that how like the real metaverse looks like. So you need to put up some like VR headset and transfer yourself into the metaverse world. So that's why our one of the last like the step and task in our roadmap is like developing the real VR mode compatibility. So that means that you can like wake up in the morning and put your VR headset on and like transfer to the real metaverse, which was developed under the Unreal Engine 4. So you will see there will be like very hard in order to see is that the real world or is that our metaverse, because it will really look alike like the real world, because we're really trying to upgrade and update our graphics that it will be like on the highest level. So like the VR compatibility, and last but not the least, we have many guilds right now that joined Metashooter, and are really interested in scholarships. So we are working on that too right now, and few of them are from the countries where like the main gaming is on mobile devices. So we really thought about those gamers too. So right now we are releasing our game for PC, for Windows, and for Mac OS, because a lot of our partners also said that I am on Mac OS, I want to really try your game, but it's impossible. So we heard that, so that's why we developed the Mac OS version, so players will be able, and right now they are able to download that version, install it, and play on their Mac PCs, and also the, as I mentioned before, the mobile gaming. So that's like our, if we will achieve that one, we will think that everything is completed by us. So that's why we would like to give the opportunity for each gamers, for the gamers that have like 10,000 worth of gaming machine with the highest end graphics, and for those who are playing, for example, in India or in other countries where the internet is not that fast, for example, so they just can take their phone and make some missions, like that one be like the full game on the mobile phones, because as far as you know that it's very like hard to implement everything like in the small screen and etc. But still they will be able to play and for sure earn from the Metashooter.
Super cool that you're able to, you're developing with the idea of being inclusive, right? So like, as you mentioned, people from who might have a slow internet connection and just maybe a phone, all up to those who have those serious gaming PCs. So very cool. I'm personally excited to take a look at it. Hoping I can get my hands on another VR headset and try it out that way, because I think that would be the way that I would like to play.
Perfect.